If you've been thinking about starting a business in 2025, there has never been a better time to jump in and create something profitable. But with so many industries evolving, how do you know which business model will set you up for success? At ProfitPowerhouse, we've analyzed billions of dollars worth of businesses to identify the smartest, most lucrative opportunities for the coming year. In this video, we'll break down for business models that have high income potential and massive market growth so you can start strong and scale fast. Stick around until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights. What makes a good business? Before diving into the top for businesses of 2025, let's talk about what makes a business truly profitable. There are two key factors to focus on. Beer income. Targeting wealthier customers is a smart strategy. High ticket. Premium services allow you to generate more revenue with fewer sales, giving you room to scale over time with low ticket. High volume offers. Market growth rate. Choosing an industry with a strong upward trajectory ensures long-term success. By researching industries with high growth rates, you can position yourself in a booming market rather than a stagnant one. And here's the best part: 2025 is shaping up to be a golden era for entrepreneurs. Economic expansion and technological innovation are creating once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. So, let's explore the four business models that are primed for success. 1. Pet care industry. This might surprise you, but pet care is one of the fastest growing industries in the US, with the market expected to grow from $151 billion in 2024 to $251 billion by 2030. There is enormous potential for high-end services catering to pet owners. Luxury pet hotels and boarding services, premium pet grooming and spa treatments, high quality, organic pet treats. Why does this work? Because you're solving an emotional problem: guilt. Dizzy pet owners want to ensure their furry friends receive the best care possible while they're away. Services that ease this guilt, like pet surveillance, real-time updates, and VIP pet experiences, are in high demand. If you want a business with strong customer loyalty and repeat sales, pet care is a fantastic choice. 2. Health and wellness. Health and wellness isn't just a trend, it's a booming industry projected to grow from $5.6 trillion in 2020 to $8.5 trillion by 2027. Consumers are increasingly focused on longevity, personal well-being, and alternative healthcare solutions. Business ideas: med spas and personalized wellness centers, telemedicine and remote health consulting, high-end wellness products and supplements. Post-pandemic, people no longer want to rely solely on traditional healthcare. They want control over their health, access to real-time data, and customized solutions. Even without a medical degree, you can tap into this demand by offering specialized wellness products or partnering with healthcare professionals to provide premium services. 3. Sustainable and eco-friendly products. Sustainability is more than just a buzzword, it's a movement reshaping consumer behavior. With eco-friendly products growing at a 99.9% annual rate, this is a market you can't afford to ignore. Where you can succeed: sustainable beauty and skincare, eco-friendly fashion and home goods, organic pet products and supplements. The key to success: make sustainability stylish. Many eco-friendly brands struggle because they feel dull or overly technical. The brands that dominate this space merge sustainability with luxury and strong branding. If you can create a visually appealing, high-quality product that aligns with consumer values, you're on track for massive success. 4. Social media consulting for businesses. The demand for social media consulting is skyrocketing, with the industry expected to hit $10.2 billion by 2030. But here's the catch: business owners still don't understand how to leverage social media properly. How to win in this market? Specialize in one platform: Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, etc. Target one industry: real estate, healthcare, e-commerce, etc. Offer measurable results that drive revenue. Unlike casual content creation, business-focused social media consulting is all about ROI. If you can help companies make money through social media, they'll pay premium prices for your services, sometimes $5,000 to $10,000 per month. By focusing on a niche and mastering a single platform, you can build a 6- or 7-figure agency with minimal overhead. Final thoughts: these 4 industries: pet care, health and wellness, sustainable products, and social media consultant offer incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs in 2025. Each one has a high growth trajectory and strong revenue potential, making them perfect for anyone ready to take action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more business insights. And if you're serious about building your dream business, check out our next video, where we dive even deeper into the best strategies to scale your company in 2025. See you there.